So we're in the Hilton Garden Inn. This is a hotel that we've stayed in once before, which was last week, and they've actually given us the same room to stay in again this week. So we stayed here for 3 nights previously, then we went on a cruise for 5 nights, and then we're here for 6 nights. So we're very lucky. So this is the Hilton Garden Inn, and it's a hotel very close to Universal Studios. We normally stay, or we have previous stayed on lots of occasions in Homewood Suites, which is just opposite. So let me that was the background talk. Let me show you what the room has to offer. There's quite a large lady there who's been on a 5-day cruise, eating all she can, so put on quite a bit of weight, but that's what vacations, holidays are all about. So inside here we've got somewhere to put the suitcase, the luggage. We've got an ironing board, enough coat hangers for our 6 nights, and then here we have a fridge, a half fridge, which is quite a nice size, coffee maker, 2 complimentary bottles of water. Not sure whether everyone gets those because we're Hilton Honours members, so it might just be because we're members, I don't know. And then some storage here. Our lovely friend Colin works behind the tiki bar, so if you do stay here or you're anywhere close, pop in and say hi to Colin and just say the Welsh people, Chris and Pandy, sent you. So we've got 2 nice size beds here, which we did suggest last time we stayed here that we would have a bed each, but yeah, we end up just sharing one, and then to be honest we normally put cases on another one. It makes it easier and saves us from unpacking. So the time is 8:36 p.m. We've only just got in because our flight got delayed from Miami just now for about 5 hours, so yeah. But anyway, so there's lots of there's USBs here. The new, I can't think what they call the new USB socket there. Probably better, you can see that, some light in there. 2 plug sockets here, very good alarm clock, and then we requested a room that faces the pool, and we're sort of overlooking the pool area there, and that's the place there. You can't really see because of all the lights are on here at the moment, but that's Homewood Suites, which is another very nice hotel. Homewood Suites doesn't have a bar. The tiki bar, you can't see, it's sort of just there, the tiki bar, that area there. But if you're staying in Homewood Suites opposite, which is also on American Way, then you can use that tiki bar as well. You can just use it you don't have to be staying in one of the hotels to use it. Housekeeping here, you have to request it before 9 AM. Check-in was very smooth last time and this time, and check-out when we stayed here before was very easy as well. They're lovely ladies. Kat was the last person who checked us in. There was a younger lady that checked us in today, but she was equally as nice. It's lovely. And there's also a gentleman, I must find out their names. So nice bath and towel display. Then you've got amenities over here, which is plenty of soap. 3 soaps, some plastic cups, then we've got shampoo, conditioner, bath gel, and some body lotion there, and like I said, plenty of towels. So that's the room from Hilton Garden Inn, near Universal Studios, Orlando, Florida.